Black holes, once the stuff of science fiction, are among the universe's most real and terrifying mysteries. These cosmic monsters swallow stars and even light, vanishing anything that ventures too close. They represent the most extreme conditions in the cosmos, where Einstein's relativity and quantum mechanics collide. To understand what lies inside a black hole could unlock a unified theory of everything. The event horizon is the point of no return, where even light cannot escape. We cannot see inside. All information is trapped, challenging our understanding of reality. The questions black holes raise force us to confront the limits of our knowledge and dream of what might lie hidden in the universe's darkest corners. The ultimate cosmic trapdoor. A black hole is an object with gravity so powerful that nothing, not even light, can escape. Born from the death of massive stars, their cores collapse into a point of unimaginable density. This warps space and time, creating a bottomless pit in the fabric of the universe. Einstein's relativity showed us that massive objects curve space-time, but a black hole is an infinitely deep puncture. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope gave us the first direct image, a glowing ring around a dark shadow. This confirmed Einstein's predictions and turned black holes from theory into observable reality. Now we're driven to understand what truly lies beyond that dark edge. Black holes are no longer just theoretical, they're a window into the universe's most extreme mysteries. The event horizon is the black hole's boundary, a mysterious, invisible surface that marks the edge of the unknown. It's a place where the rules of physics as we know them begin to break down, and the familiar world ends. This boundary is more than just a line in space. It's a mathematical point of no return, a threshold that nothing, not even light, can cross and come back. Imagine you're rowing a small boat upstream, fighting against a powerful river current. As long as you can row faster than the current, you can escape. But once the current overtakes you, no matter how hard you try, you're swept away. There's no turning back. For black holes, that unstoppable current is gravity itself, and the speed you need to escape is the speed of light, the fastest speed in the universe. To an outside observer, as you approach the event horizon, time appears to slow down dramatically. You seem to freeze in place at the very edge, never quite crossing over, as if caught in a cosmic pause. But from your own perspective, you cross the event horizon without any warning or sensation. In that instant, you're cut off from the rest of the universe, unable to send any message or signal back. Your journey becomes a solitary one. Inside, the black hole's gravity grows ever stronger, pulling you relentlessly toward the singularity at its core. Here, the forces are so extreme that matter and even the fabric of space and time are stretched and twisted beyond recognition. Your fate is sealed, and escape is impossible. The event horizon acts as a perfect cosmic sensor, hiding whatever happens inside from the outside universe. No information, no light, and no clues can escape to reveal the black hole's secrets. All we can do is study the clues left outside, the swirling matter, the bending of light, the ripples in space-time, and use the laws of physics to deduce what might be happening within. Black holes are like locked rooms with no windows or doors. We're left to piece together their mysteries from the outside, using only the faintest hints and indirect evidence. The journey beyond the event horizon is a one-way trip, an irreversible plunge into the unknown, where the laws of nature are pushed to their limits and our understanding falters. What happens inside remains one of science's greatest puzzles, a cosmic riddle that continues to challenge our imagination and drive our quest for knowledge. For decades, scientists believed a black hole's core was a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume. As you fall in, gravity stretches you into spaghetti, tearing apart anything that enters. The singularity is where our physics breaks down. Infinities signal that our theories are incomplete. General relativity describes gravity on large scales, but not the quantum world of the very small. Most physicists now think the singularity doesn't truly exist in nature. At the smallest scales, quantum effects must take over, requiring a new theory, quantum gravity. This theory would replace the singularity with something finite, though still strange. The quest for this theory is one of science's greatest challenges. Stephen Hawking revolutionized our understanding of black holes by showing that they aren't completely black or silent as once believed. Instead, he discovered that black holes emit a faint glow known as Hawking radiation, tiny particles that slowly leak away from the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing is supposed to escape. This slow leak of energy leads to one of the most profound puzzles in physics, the black hole information paradox. According to the laws of quantum mechanics, information about the physical state of objects can never be truly destroyed, no matter what happens to them. But Hawking's calculations seem to suggest the opposite, that information falling into a black hole could be lost forever, vanishing as the black hole evaporates. If a black hole eventually evaporates completely, what happens to all the information it swallowed over its lifetime? Does it disappear, or is it somehow preserved? Hawking later proposed a radical idea, that information isn't lost, but rather stored on the event horizon itself, encoded in a scrambled, holographic form. As the black hole evaporates, this information is gradually released back into the universe, hidden within the outgoing radiation. The book of information isn't lost. Its contents are simply transformed, encoded in a cosmic code that's nearly impossible to decipher. This suggests that black holes may not be the ultimate prisons we once thought, but rather cosmic hard drives, devices that scramble but never erase the data they contain. Some physicists even speculate that black holes could act as cosmic seeds, spawning entirely new universes, with the information from our universe funneled into a baby cosmos, giving rise to new realities beyond our own. In fact, it's possible that our own universe was born from a black hole in a parent universe, continuing an endless cycle of cosmic creation. These ideas remain speculative, but they push the boundaries of what we know, inspiring new questions about the nature of reality, information, and the universe itself. String theory offers a radical new picture. Black holes are not empty voids, but fuzzballs of tangled, vibrating strings. The singularity disappears, replaced by a dense, complex tangle where information is preserved. The event horizon becomes a fuzzy surface, not a sharp boundary. Information from anything that falls in is woven into the fuzzball's structure, solving the information paradox. The fuzzball radiates like any hot object, encoding information in its radiation. Another idea, the holographic principle, suggests all information inside a black hole is stored on its two-dimensional surface. The interior may be a holographic projection of that surface data. These concepts transform black holes from mysterious voids into exotic, information-rich objects. Why study black holes? Because fundamental research drives progress. History shows that curiosity about nature's mysteries leads to transformative discoveries, like electricity, relativity, and the technology behind GPS. Solving black holes means uniting relativity and quantum mechanics into quantum gravity, the holy grail of physics. This could answer questions about the Big Bang, the universe's fate, and other dimensions. Technologies developed for black hole research, like advanced imaging and data processing, benefit medicine, communications, and more. Blue sky science is an investment in our future, inspiring new generations of innovators. The pursuit of black holes pushes the boundaries of knowledge. It's how we solve tomorrow's challenges. We're entering a golden age of black hole discovery, a time when the mysteries of the universe are finally within our reach. For centuries, black holes were just theoretical oddities, hidden in the equations of Einstein and whispered about in the halls of academia. Now, they are at the forefront of scientific exploration, captivating the imagination of scientists and the public alike. The first image of a black hole's shadow was just the beginning. With new generations of telescopes and ever-advancing technology, we'll soon be able to see even more detail, perhaps even real-time movies of matter spiraling into the abyss, revealing the dynamic dance of gravity and light at the edge of the unknown. Gravitational wave observatories now let us listen to the universe in a way never before possible. When black holes collide, they send out ripples in space-time, echoes of cosmic cataclysms that we can now detect, opening a brand new window on the universe and allowing us to witness events billions of years in the making. By studying these waves, we can uncover the hidden properties of black holes, test the limits of Einstein's theories, and even explore exotic ideas like fuzzballs or the holographic principle, concepts that challenge our very understanding of space and time. Some physicists are searching for gravitational echoes, subtle signals that could be evidence of a quantum surface inside black holes, hinting at a deeper layer of reality and possibly bridging the gap between quantum mechanics and general relativity. The quest to understand black holes is more than just a scientific endeavor. It reflects humanity's timeless drive to explore, to push beyond the boundaries of what we know, and to seek answers to the most profound questions about our place in the cosmos. We may never send a probe inside a black hole, but our minds, armed with curiosity and imagination, can venture where our bodies cannot, exploring the deepest mysteries of the universe from afar. The secrets of black holes may hold the key to the next great revolution in physics, and perhaps even to a new understanding of reality itself, reminding us that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined.